Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On this tutorial, I'm guiding you guys on how to model this 3D block. So let's get started. Let's work with the top plane. Diameter of 76. Center rectangle. Let's dimension 18. Center slot. Let's do some adjustment. Let's dimension it. Our slot thickness 20. I'll adjust a little bit to this point. This point to this point 20. So let's mirror. Let's add a center line here, the construction line. Now let's mirror the slot. Mirror about this construction line. So let's trim out here and here. So let's extrude. Let's extrude. Let's use blind. Downward direction 30. Downward. So we have this. So let's click on this drop down, sketch 1, extruded cut, selected contour, select here on my slot, depth of 15, and I have this cut. I'll click on this sketch 1, extrude. I'll select on this face, make it 20. They have this. Now let's sketch on front plane. Let's go to 3-point arc. Radius of 9. Let's close up our contour with a normal line. Now let's extrude. Direction 1 up to surface. I select on this surface. Now my direction 2 up to surface. I select on this surface. So we have this 1 to 7 symmetric view. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.